Hello, children of class 10. In my last class, I have discussed page number 96 or 97 or 98, something like that, biology. Today I am back with you with the next page. In this page, the figure is human alimentary canal. The picture is all rounded out. The human alimentary canal. Now children, human alimentary canal means when you are intaking the food, the process through which it is going through and getting inside the stomach, then it is getting itself digested. This is the total process of these. The full picture is the alimentary canal. So I'll try to show you the picture. Let me see whether it is possible or not. I don't know. Babali, it is becoming tough. Anyways, now you can see the picture. I think this is the elementary system. The whole matter is beginning from here and ending at over here. Okay, you can see that. So this is what I'm going to tell you today. So now, it was a hectic thing to show you like that. Anyways, it's a part of our education. Okay, so when we are intaking the food, then the food which we are intaking, those pieces are not in equal texture. What is the meaning of texture? Texture means size. ठीक है, टेक्सचर का मतलब है साइज. जब हम लोग कोई खाना कोई फूड मुंह से इंटेक कर रहे हैं तो उसका मेजरमेंट सेम होना चाहिए. द थिंग नीडेड टू बी इन इक्वल टेक्सचर, then only it will get itself equally divided. And as because the texture is not equal, रोटी का टुकड़ा जब आप खाते हो then the matter is not same in each and every places. कभी छोटा, कभी बड़ा, कभी इतना बड़ा, कभी इतना छोटा. So ऐसा नहीं होता ना. यू कैनॉट जस्ट मेजर. हाँ, ये डायमीटर है, ये रेडियस है, ये हुआ 3 इंच 2 इंच, इतना सा रोटी तोड़ो. ऐसे नहीं खा पाता है कोई इंसान. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो इसीलिए हम लोग जो खाना खाते हैं उसका मेजरमेंट ऑफ पीसेस ऑफ द फूड इज नॉट equal all the time. So our body is a thing like whatever you give, I'll make it in my own manner. And for that, our teeth are present. ठीक है, अलग अलग दांतों का अलग अलग वर्कआउट है. When the piece of the food is getting inside the mouth, it is getting divided, crushed, bitten very minutely. It mixed up with the salivary glands. It is there. देखना बच्चों, when you remain some time quiet, after some time you get your mouth wetted. It becomes wet out. Why? Because there are the pores inside our here. Here are you can push and you can feel norum, something soft. These are the glands. These are the salivary glands, जहाँ से सलाइवा कंटिन्यूअसली निकलता रहता है. जिस तरह से पैनक्रियस से हमेशा एक फ्लूइड निकलता रहता है and it gets collected in the gall bladder, जिसको हम लोग बंगाली में पित्ती रोश या हिंदी में पित्ती बोलते हैं. It is green in color. Anyways, similarly, salivary gland से हमेशा सलाइवा निकलता रहता है जिसको we spit outside. That is the salivary gland. It has a sticky like thing. When the food which we are intaking, that is inside our mouth, it mixed up with the salivary glands, and that makes the food softer, and so it can be crushed into very minute particles. From there it passes through the food pipe, gets inside the stomach. There it mixes up with the various types of enzymes along with the gastric glands that is present in the wall of the stomach. Mixed up, the required amount is taken up by our body. उसको और ज़्यादा माइन्यूट कर लिया जाता है, and it becomes very liquid like thing, and it becomes mixed up with the body, and the left out part is coming out through the intestine. Some fluid, some materials. Okay, and so there those are the excretory parts of our body. So this is the way the alimentary canal works out. Now, when the alimentary canal works out, it is a very long process. बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है, and it is not so easy how I have told you. It's a time taken, क्योंकि हम लोग के बोला ही जाता है when you have some food, if it is very heavy, then a body needs specific time to get itself digested, to get itself mixed up with the enzymes. उसके एंजाइम के साथ मिक्सड अप करने के लिए उसे थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. उतना फूड that will get inside mixed up with the enzymes and all the gastric glands and all, और उसके बाद वो get the thing diluted, mixed up, then the required amount is taken and the excretory amount is gone out from the body. ठीक है, the whole process is a long process. मैंने जैसा आराम से बोल दिया, इतना आराम से होता नहीं है, takes some time. और अगर the food which you are intaking is a heavy or it gets time to get digested, तो कुछ foods ऐसे ही होते हैं that our body could not take it nicely. सबका body get up same नहीं होता है. अगर सारे enzymes, all the gastric glands and enzymes and salivary glands, everything is okay, then our body is very strong, so it can get itself adjusted or any food can get digested. लेकिन अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो our body refuses to take that which is hard to get digested. Our body refuses to take that which is hard to get digested. और इसीलिए when we take something hard, we say that we need to take some medicine so that those enzymes, and there are some enzymes inside the medicine, those are the extra, that helps the food get digested. এই যে অ্যান্টাসিডসগুলো হয় না, যেটা আমরা খাবার আগে বা খাবার পরে খাই, so that those are also the mixture of enzymes. और वो enzymes जब फूड के साथ मिक्सअप होते हैं तब उनको डाइजेस्ट होने में ईजी रहता है, एंड देन दे गेट देमसेल्फ डाइजेस्टेड. और इसी तरह आवर फूड प्रोसेसेस, आवर इनटेकिंग ऑफ फूड एंड एक्सक्रीटरी things, they go on equally. लेकिन we need to get our body engulfed with the food every after 2 to 3 hours, because continuously the enzymes are coming out, they are processed in a long way. और अगर ज़्यादा देर तक पेट खाली रहा, they don't get anything digested, then they can create a disturbing element in our body, and so we feel sick. Okay, so this is in the next page. So next page is about अच्छा, इसके बाद the role of the intestine comes. Now, what are intestines? Intestines are pipes, narrow and large. These are muscles. They expand, then again contract. Again they expand, then again they contract. When the excretory product they expand, and when they do not have the excretory product, they are composed. They are like spring. They expand, again they contract. They again expand and contract. Okay? So, you read this part, get yourself accustomed, then we will continue in the next class.